Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you another wonderful strategy. Another wonderful strategy what you can use to make money for yourself online. You can use to make money for yourself online. Quickly go to your Chrome browser and search for a site name what? Teespring. 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 What is Teespring? Teespring is a platform that enables you to what create your own design. So you create your own design, then add what? The design to a t-shirt, it might be trouser, it might be shirt, it might be singlet, and many more. It might be armlets and many more, and many more, and many more. Once you create those designs, it might be bag, then you add those designs to it. What then if customer saw your design, then they purchase it, then you will surely earn a return on investment for your design, so this is the platform. This is how it looks like. So I'll be showing you how you can register on this platform in order to create your own design. If you click on start designing, you can see that you input your name or brand, your email address, password, then you confirm your password, then you click on I'm not a robot, then you sign up, so that since I've already created an account on this platform, so I won't be doing that again. So I will just need to log in to my own account, so this is my account. So I am not a robot, so I'll be logging in now. I just created this account this month, so this is how the platform looks like. So I'll be showing you my store, my listing, for you to see the top designs I've already created. You can see other sample units. So I just created this month, that's why, just for the sake of the story. I can see this is my link, and this is what you can see. Units sold, I've not sold anything, and this is the shareable link. I can share it on social media for people to see the design, they love it and they purchase it, so I'll surely earn a return on investment. Let me click on design for you to see how it looks like. View. You can see they are going to sell it what for $41.99. So I'll be giving profit. So I have profit on this. Say pay in 4 days, size, design. So I'm the one that created this design. So I'll be showing you how we can create your own design on this platform. You can just go to Google and search for um cats. So these are all cats. So we'll be searching for image. I would employ you to search for a Creative Commons license image. So you can see usage right. Just click on them, choose a Creative Commons. So this Creative Commons license, these are all licensable image which the people that created the image allowed you to be able to utilize without having any copyright issue, without having any license issue with any platform. So this is it. So I'll be clicking on the Pizza Bay image. I'll be downloading this image now. Let's visit Pizza Bay. So this is it. So let's download it. Then we are not a robot. Then let's answer there. Then download. So this is the image. So we'll be going back to the platform named Teespring. So this is it. So we'll be logging in to see some design. It might be cups, bags, my create products. Let me first of all verify this because I just created this morning. Let's verify our email. So we have successfully verified what our email. So we can now go back to our listening, start creating. So this is my dashboard. Verify your email. Comment seems. Let's verify. Can see email successfully verified. Email successfully verified. Then what? You can then create. Let's create another listening. I'm showing you this from scratch so you will know that all what I'm doing is real. This is reality. So I would employ you to choose bestseller, the best selling product on this platform. You can also create the design on what's on the phones. So bestsellers, that's what I would employ you to choose. Bestsellers, the best selling product on this platform. So you can see all these are top selling product designs. Premium long sleeve, cups, print glass, poster sticker. So but we'll be choosing classic. You can see this long list. I'll be designing on this long, so I'll be showing you how you can design. So now click on the design. You can see this three symbol like option here. Click on then add what image. Click on add image. You can see this is the image of the bulldozer teacher I created recently. So we'll be adding this card. So you see. So I would reduce the image card. So this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. Then what? You can also add a font text. We adding my cat, my cat. My lovely cat. Let's try to bold it. So we have bold it. Let's try to change the colored image. So that's it. Let me try it seems. Then what? You click on the top, this same category again. Then you set your price want. You can see they will be selling it what if the product is successfully sold or is successfully what fulfilled from the US. So we'll be making a profit of 16.14 profit sales. So most creator price this product at what, $37.99. So let's continue. So great design. Let's scroll down to see our design. You can see this is the first. Let me see. You can see the design we just created now. Cat. So profit starting at what? $16.14. $16.14. So then you click on what? Continue. It will be successfully added to our store. Then you give it cats shirt. The best cat design shirt or long sleeves. So then you publish listing. Preparing your listing. Step 3. You can see your listing is now live. Our product is now live. You can see you can also share it with fans. We have a fans. But I'll be showing you the listing. So all those settings you can start doing those ones later. So I'll be showing you our listing. All the products we have created, and you can see it's sold. Still loading. So this is the cat shirt. The first one I created was the bulldozer shirt and many more. So you can share your link. So this is our link for our store. So you can create a social media account to share the product on social media. To share the product on social media. So view settings. Click on view. It has taken us to our full store. So especially the product we selected. Consider Larry cats, color white, size. Bought this product. Might also like what to put that. These are all the products we created. These are all the products we created. These are all the products we created. Yes, sir. So, in says apparel. Can then copy the link. You can see copy link. You can also see the social media link. You can see this. You can also click on it. So you can see. You can share it direct to your Facebook or copy the link. But I'll be sharing it direct to my Facebook account for people to see it. So that's it. Then click on done. Then what? You post. You post to your news feed. Then you post to your news feed. So it is loading. So wow. Then close the tab to continue. So our product has been successfully shared. So that's how you can share your product on teespring. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop out some video just like this. Thanks.